Good evening, everyone. Mike Arnold here again. One of our viewers pointed out that there may be a potential head and shoulders in the comments on the last video, and yes, they are correct. We have a left shoulder, a head, and a potential right shoulder. This would have to rotate all the way down. We have drawn the neckline in purple and extended it up because this would not trigger for us unless we get a close below the neckline on a 4-hour chart. Now these targets are going to move because it depends where it closes below the neckline for the full targets. But at this point, to give you a rough idea, we would not be shorting this either. So that's another thing. These would just be potential areas we'd look for buy points. The first target is essentially 49.84 to 5,000. The next target would be about 47.40. So 47.40 to 47.50, and the final target 44.96, so essentially 4,500. Let's see how that plays out on the weekly chart because we want to keep our bigger perspective always in mind. So if this were to trigger and start unfolding, the initial target, which we use if we're shorting as stop reduction, but for this, we're looking for potential buy zones, would be this 5,000 area. You know, the 49.84, which comes in roughly with the weekly 8 EMA. And the next two targets are clearly within the rotation zone on the weekly basis. So this is a potential. However, switching back to daily, we still need to form the right shoulder, which means it has to come and loop all the way back down. And then it has to close below the neckline, which is in purple. It's different from a trend line. It's connecting the left shoulder and the right shoulder. And then we'd be potentially looking for these lower levels. So thanks for the continued comments. Just wanted to clarify that and update that. Should anybody else read the comments and wonder the same thing, the viewer was correct and did an excellent job. There is a potential head and shoulders. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night.